Welcome to homework.
This is the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 66 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem is asking us to look at each of four esters and determine how these esters could be made by Fischer esterification. So remember, Fischer esterification is treating a carboxylic acid and an alcohol with some acid, and we get an ester as a result. And so I've drawn a line in red through each of the oxygens, each of these ester oxygens, and basically you can just break the molecule into two at that red line, and that will tell you your starting materials. So for A, all right, so for A, if we were to break the molecule at that red line that I've drawn, and so remember, if you do treat it that way, breaking it at that red line, that oxygen goes to each of the starting materials. So you have a carboxylic acid here, and then you have an alcohol. You have an alcohol in your other piece. So there we go. 1, 2. And so we just follow that form for the rest of the molecules in this problem. So for B, if we break our molecule into two pieces at that line, we have the alcohol here. And then the other piece would be our carboxylic acid. Oh my. All right, so there we go. And I'm just going to, rather than redraw the phenyl ring, I'm just going to abbreviate it with pH. So there we go. That's the answer to B. For C, we'll follow the same pattern. So here we have our carboxylic acid. And then our other piece is going to be the alcohol. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then D is going to be exactly the same way. So we have the left piece here will be our alcohol. So we'll put the OH there. And then the right piece will be our carboxylic acid. All right, and there we go. And so this is the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 66.